Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a full print pattern design in Canva for Redbubble in 2025. So if you want to design to cover the entire t-shirt, pillow or tote bags, this step-by-step guide is for you. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for canva.com. Then you need to just log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to click on the create design option here in the left hand section, then click on the custom size. Over here, the dimensions that I'm about to show you is 5000 into 5000. So you need to provide that here and click on the create new design option. So once you are in your design, you need to search for the graphic elements in Canva like icons, doodles or illustrations. For that, you need to hover over to the left hand section, click on the elements option, search for doodles, then click on graphics and you will see these types of doodles over here. So you need to just simply select any one of these. For example, let's say I'm going to select this one. Now you need to place the element evenly across the canvas for to form the repeatable pattern. You just have to copy it from here and you can just select it like this. And after doing so, you can simply download this particular pattern in your gallery. For that, you need to click on the share option in the top right hand corner, click on the download option, select the transparent background, but this option is for premium, so you need to just simply click on the download option and download this particular pattern in your gallery. So once you are done here, you will have to go to your Redbubble's dashboard. The dashboard will be here once you click on your profile icon in the top and go to your account settings, or once you click on the my portfolio option. So whichever option you choose, you will be in the dashboard. So click on dashboard. Here you will be able to upload your design by clicking on the add design option and uploading that particular pattern that we have selected. Over here, you need to just provide the title, the tags and the descriptions. Here you can just scroll down and take a look at the t-shirt, pillows, tote bags and more. If you want to edit, you just have to simply do that and it should look something like this. So this is how you can create a full print pattern design in Canva for Redbubble in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.